I had about $60,000. I'm 33 years old, and I had about $60,000 saved up, and I bought a car with cash, and then I put the rest almost into the house, and I have about $15,000 left. And what is your best suggestion on what to do with it?
Have you done a Roth this year?
Have I done what?
A Roth IRA.
No.
Okay,
No.
I would set up a Roth IRA. Do you have earnings? Are you working outside the household?
No, right now I was working at GE, but I'm off work right now. I injured my back, so.
Have you had any earnings this year at all?
Yes.
How much did you make this year at GE?
So far, probably $40,000.
Okay, so you can put up to $5,000 into a Roth IRA. Okay, we can help you do that. You could go to a bank. Anybody can help you do that. You just tell them you want to set up a Roth IRA, and you could put up to $5,000, and then that way, Kelly, when you draw it out for retirement, every bit of it, taxes, everything has been waived. You get it all tax-free one day. I would do that first of all. Then remember to leave some in the kitty. I'd leave some in savings because you might need it with what you're going through, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Kelly.